Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share sound on Discord. So in this case, just click here in this plus sign in the message section. In plus sign, click an audio upload a file. Upload a file. Then choose the audio or sound file from your computer. Okay, I'm choosing this one and just click here open. And now if you want to add some message, you can write here and click or hit enter button. Your sound will be sent. Okay guys, so this is how you can share sound or audio in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.